Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button to stay updated and also follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, let's see what we would be expecting this week on gold. So, I've done full analysis on our gold. So, if you've not watched it, I wanted to go to the channel and watch the full analysis on the weekly aspect. But for the next day, what we'll be expecting on the 1st of September is we should be expecting a sell anytime soon. This month of September will drop, gold will definitely drop. But before that, let's see what market is currently doing. We all know that before we take any trade, we tend to know the trend first, right? Either an uptrend, a downtrend, or a range market move, right? That is exactly the trend market to give us. Previously, we were having this an uptrend. You can see it was trading around this level previously, but as at now, market is literally ranging. So we would want to trade with what we see and not what we think, right? So this is our rejection here. This is our resistance. So markets came here, rejected, and it dropped. The markets eventually dropped to tap our support level and rejected it and went up. Tap our resistance level, dropped again, which gave us like a breakout, false breakout. The market was able to push up again to tap our resistance. Then we rejected again, which markets dropped to tap this our support level. So you can see that market has been ranging. It eventually came to this our resistance, right? Then it dropped to this our support level. Then it came to this our resistance, eventually dropped, then eventually came again to this our resistance. You can see that market is at this resistance level. So be very careful about taking your buy. A lot of traders would want to be buying because they see something like this. They see that it is trending here, which is actually true. It is trending within this level. But have it in mind that you have gotten to a key level whereby this key level will serve as a reversal this week. So this week we'll be expecting a drop. Now for the next day, before you take the sell, make sure you get your sell set up. Do not just hop in for the sell. Get your sell set up first before you hop in. If you do not find the sell set up, do not sell. Until you find the sell set up, then go ahead and sell. So stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.